Pakistani President Pervez Musharraf, in an interview to Pakistan's Dunya TV, has corroborated what India has been alleging all along. Musharraf admitted that Islamabad was behind religious extremism and was instrumental in the rise of the Taliban. He also went on to claim that dreaded global terrorists like Osama bin Laden were considered heroes in Pakistan. Musharraf admitted that Pakistan has been training and arming terrorists attacking India in Jammu and Kashmir. He also owned up to the Lashkar-e-Toiba, which attacked Mumbai, or claimed responsibility for attacking Mumbai in 2008. These admissions not only expose the lies that Pakistan has tried to spread in various international forums, but also have the potential to isolate Pakistan on the global stage and expose the country and its administration as prime supporters of terrorism.
इशू देखो, माहौल इधर 1979 से बहुत तब्दील होता चला रहा है। एक रिलीजियस मिलिटेंसी हमने पाकिस्तान के हक में यहाँ इंट्रोड्यूस की सोवियट्स को निकालने के लिए।
ठीक है।
हम मुजाहिदीन लाए पूरी दुनिया से, हमने तालिबान को ट्रेन किया, उन्हें वेपन्स दिए, उनको अंदर भेजा। वो हमारे हीरो थे। ठीक है। ये जो हक्कानी है, हीरो है हमारा जी। ठीक है। टीज का हीरो है। बिल्कुल। ओसामा बिन लादेन हमारा हीरो था। CIA का भी था शायद। यस, ये ज़वाहिरी हमारा हीरो था। तो माहौल अलग था। अब माहौल तब्दील हो गया। अब वो हीरो जो है वो विलेन बन गए। बुरी तरह से इंडियन आर्मी ने मारा, वो भागकर पाकिस्तान आ गए। अब पाकिस्तान में फिर उनको हीरो रिसेप्शन दी गई, उनकी बिल्कुल ट्रेनिंग भी होती थी और हम उनके सपोर्ट में थे कि ये मुजाहिदीन हैं जो इंडियन आर्मी से लड़ेंगे अपने हकूक के लिए।
Let's now go across to Smita Sharma, who joins us for more on this story. Morning, Smita. Mr. Pervez Musharraf, now that he is out of power, he's out of favor in Pakistan, is making certain observations which are very significant, because he seems to suggest everything that India has been saying about Pakistan for a very long time. How is India going to look at these statements?
Good morning, Sanket. And clearly for Pervez Musharraf to be saying what is he saying, these are some of the worst kept secrets of Pakistan now. It's almost like if you were to go through his book, In the Line of Fire, the Hindi translation of which was Agni Pariksha, a lot of these points are actually stated in that book. 2 years back, I remember having personally interviewed Pervez Musharraf, where he almost came to a point where he almost accepted that yes, Pakistan's policy vis-a-vis the Taliban proved a fatal mistake. Because what is surprising to me here, a large part of this saying that these are mujahideens, that they had Pakistan support, and it's not just Pakistan support. Wajahat Khan, the interviewer, rightly pointed out that even the CIA had a role to play, because right from Ayman al-Zawahiri to Osama bin Laden, most of these have been the USA's creations, the CIA's creations, to be more specific, because when they were trying to fight off the Russian invasion of Afghanistan in 1979, that's when the foundation for this entire sort of new breed of militancy was laid. But when Musharraf says that now increasingly after 79 these organizations turned into religious militancy.
Absolutely, Smita.
That's a little surprising that they were naive enough to think it wouldn't be so.
Absolutely. Thanks very much, Smita.